Hey, what up, fellas? This is Uncle B. This is not the normal scheduled video. You know, we put up weekly and everything, but I got to talk about something because I'm pissed. I'm pissed. This keeps happening, and it's getting on my freaking nerves. Now it's going too far. What I'm talking about specifically is sort of like the reason why I first started this channel. Well, started this whole journey with African Fly with GoodWood to begin with, and that was because, or just talking about men's sexual health to begin with, and that was because of drugs. Literally, like pharmaceuticals, because, my grandmother, she did a slip and fall. She went into the hospital on 2 drugs, came out on 22 drugs. And, just the research that we were doing back then, just to see what was going on, we realized they were doubling up on her drugs. And she advocated for herself. She got herself down off of, all the extra drugs that she was using. But I'm like, okay, that's sort of messed up. That was a whole impetus behind doing research, looking for alternatives, alternative health, tinctures and stuff. That's how we came up with African Fly, now GoodWood. That's how I got into the research and just trying to figure out, what are you supposed to do so that, if you're taking something, you don't have to take it for the rest of your life and you can just move on and be healthy. And through the years, I've talked to guys they got on different drugs, and the drugs just messed their bodies up, just messed their erections up. I got a dear friend of mine, he was taking a drug. I don't want to go into all the details and everything, but it was a pharmaceutical, and he just ended up not being on a scale of 1 to 10. Yeah, he's a 0. It's like, it's not working. And it's like, well, why would someone even bother selling something like that? That doesn't even make any sense. I mean, they have the depression drugs that actually make you lose your erections, which would make you more depressed, right? I mean, what is going on? But, what really pissed me off, part of what I'm doing a 30-day challenge to lose 25 pounds is just, to inspire people to realize that you can take control of your body. Really, that's what it's about. But we still have people that, really believe in the whole magical pill. I'm just going to take a pill and that's going to solve everything without changing my lifestyle. And obviously that does not work. It's getting on my nerves that we've been trained this way to just believe that, all I have to do is just take this pill and then get this surgery, and then, and then it just doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's like 25% of your body is your DNA. The other 75% is your patterns, the things you do every day. So you're not going to take a pill to replace the fact that, you're drinking 40s. You're drinking whatever. Your patterns are wrong. The things you're doing daily are wrong. And now I just saw a YouTube video, and it's basically the channel. They're talking about TRT, testosterone replacement therapy, like it's supposed to be normal. I'm like, what? No. Believe me, look, if you have a medical reason, the actual medical reason, like you're below 200 nanograms per deciliter, and it's going to cause some huge problems, then yes, research diligently and then decide whether or not you want to do it. But for God's sake, no, don't just take it like this is supposed to be something you do on the regular. A couple of things can happen. One being, you could possibly not be able to have children, if that's your thing. Another thing could be, you could possibly need to stay on this for the rest of your life. You don't mess with your endocrine system. That's messed up. You don't sit there and take exogenous testosterone outside of your body, stick it into your body. Well, what's your body going to do? It's going to react. It's going to be like, hey, you know what? I didn't dial this up. So let's go ahead and send some estrogen out there so we can put your body back into homeostasis, into a balance. And so your estrogen is being driven up and your testosterone is like, well, your body's like, I don't need to make any more testosterone because it's coming from somewhere else. And you shut that system down. You don't play with this. You don't play with this. You don't play with these drugs. Guys, if your doctor is telling you, like, look, all you need to do is take this drug, look at him like he's stupid, because he is. That's just wrong. Obviously, there was some things that were going on that put you into this position, and you have to change those things. You can't just take the pill. That's what they're doing nowadays. You don't even see your doctor long enough for them to make a proper diagnosis. They just like, okay, symptom, drug. It's not working. I'm just pissed off about it because I'm seeing too many guys who are coming to me now, and it's like, well, I'll put a link down below. We do this a sexual performance quiz. So basically, I can just get some information from you. We can start giving you some suggestions on how you can perform better. And I'm going through the quiz and I'm seeing more and more guys with more and more pills. It's like, that's a question. It's like, how many drugs are you taking? And we got 5, 6, 7. I mean, that's not good. That's not good. There's a reason. If it's hypertension, diabetes, believe me, I'm here for your health. I'm not saying don't listen to your doctors, but I am saying if it's just saying take a pill, something's wrong. That's all I got to say about that. So, that's my little rant right there. Just sort of pissed off about all this stuff. Fellas, take care of yourself. If you need some answers, go ahead, fill out that quiz. We can, I can shoot back some quick things for you. We can get deeper later on, but get off these drugs. It doesn't make any goddamn sense. I'm out.